I think this is where this Indian side is so strong.